Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. In this video, you will know the top 5 apps to learn coding. Coding is certainly a must-have skill even for people with non-technical backgrounds. Whether you are into coding for furthering your career or just wish to pursue it to keep up with the times, know that formal schooling is not necessity. So here are the top 5 apps to help you learn coding. The first one is Udacity app. The Udacity app helps you master in demand skills developed by industry experts from giants like Facebook, Google, Amazon, etc. The app offers its users personalized learning and learn on the go facility with downloadable classes and content. Languages taught are HTML, CSS, Python, and JavaScript, among others. The next one is Programming Hub app. It is a one-stop solution to all your coding needs. Created in collaboration with experts from Google, Programming Hub teaches languages like JavaScript, C, C++, HTML, and R. This app comes with concept-based illustrations, interactive lessons, and quick program searches. While it is free, premium subscription of the app offers an ad-free interface and offline access. The third one is Encode. To learn the code app is a great code learning platform, especially for beginners. This app provides bite-sized coding lessons that one can easily and conveniently access even on the go. The different coding languages taught are Python, JavaScript, and web programming. The fourth one is Sololearn app. Facebook FB Starts app of the year 2017. Sololearn offers fresh, free content on programming languages like Python, Java, C, and C++. It is a virtual community of coders where one can share and seek knowledge at the same time. The major pros of this free of cost app are it is personalized approach and free peer support. It also offers advanced lessons like machine learning. The last app is Tynker. Tynker makes programming more accessible and fun for kids regardless of prior experience, says TechCrunch. With a focus on young learners, Tynker teaches coding through amazingly interactive, engaging, and fun games and puzzles. So that's all about some of the top 5 best apps to learn coding. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.